Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about leftover Upma Cutlet. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with the leftover Upma. Chopped onion, Chaat Masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, chilli flakes, salt to taste, breadcrumbs, and coriander leaves. Mix everything. Apply little oil to your hands and take a small portion of the mixture. Now roll it in your hands and press it in your palm, just as it is shown in the video. Coat this cutlet in Rava on all sides. Take some oil and shallow fry the cutlet till it becomes crispy and golden brown on both sides. Serve this leftover Upma cutlet with any ketchup or chutney of your choice. And catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.